Hello everybody, it's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. In today's exciting video, we're going to change out our cabin air filter on this 2014 Chevy Spark. Alright, see, we got our filter. Yep, cabin air filter. Yep, it's pretty simple. Actually, you just open up the glove box and it should pretty much slide right out. Just like that. Just like that. Alright. Oh, sorry. Alright, so we got the what the heck? Hold on a minute. Alright. In front of, looks like a bag behind the, now I've never opened this before, so I have no idea what this is. Let's open it up and see what's inside of it. I can't see. Hold on. Oh. Looks like somebody's insulin needles. Well, you know where them are going. Them are going right in the trash because ain't nobody got time for that. Alright. I'm gonna, let's see what else we got. Old receipt. Looks like it's about it. Alright, so well, what we want to do, we want to get down here, and right there, now that all the surprises are out of the way, there's a little door, and oh my, yeah, I think this one doesn't need to change. Look at this. Yeah, that's pretty nasty, huh? Look at that. That's what was in there. So we're gonna get the new one out and put the new one in. Alright. There's the difference between night and day there, boy. I don't know if this has ever been changed, but here's the new one. If I can grab it. There's the new one. And there's a big difference between the two, for sure. Alright, now when we took this out, took it out just like this, and you'll see that the lettering is right there. Alright, now you want to take the new filter, put the lettering on the outside just like that. You want to just slide it, if it'll fit. I got the right one. There we go, yep. Slide it right back in there just like that. Just like that. Then you close this door, and then we're going to put our glove compartment back, and that job will be done. 1 second, let me get the glove box and we'll put it back in. Alright, now you got two little hinges there, and on the glove box you got two little hooks. See, little hooks, like, I don't know how well you're seeing. Two little hooks just like that. You want to make sure that you get them little hooks back on there. And probably would have helped if I would have cleaned the glove box. Get them back on there. And then you want to, let's see, it's kind of hard to do this one-handed. Alright, let me get this back on. Takes both hands. 1 second. Alright, well, we got it back on. And what you got to do is you got to put a hand on each side and squeeze the sides in. And then it'll go right back up in place. And it'll close. And everything will be just like it was before we changed it. So there's our filter. Our old filter. There's the box. I'm going to take this old filter. Let's stick it in the box and get rid of it. And I'm also going to get rid of them. I'm guessing that it's insulin needles. I didn't find anything. I looked in there. I didn't find anything but needles. But yeah, we don't want them around. So them will go in the trash as well. And yeah, that's how you do it. It's really simple. It's a real simple job. So now you know, in case you're wondering. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you learned something. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.